What is the relation between time period and frequency? That you have to tell. And one more question. If amplitude is more, how can you say that the frequency is more or less? If the amplitude is less, how can you say the frequency is less or more? So frequency, time period, amplitude, these three are the factors which determine the sound. Remember students, I repeat once again, frequency, amplitude and amplitude are some of the important factors which determine the properties of sound. So time period, frequency and amplitude are some of the factors which determine the factors of sound, and time period is inversely proportional to frequency, because if the frequency will increase, means it is, as I told you, 20 oscillations 1 second, 20 frequency. So for frequency goes to 60, means 60 oscillations in 1 second. So for one oscillation 1 by 60. So more the oscillation, more the frequency, time period will be less. And less the time period, more the time period, means time taken for one oscillation is much, so the frequency will be less. Because if you are taking more time, if you are taking more than 1 second, the frequency will be less. Because frequency means number of oscillations in 1 second. So I have given one question in the homework also, I will give you. You have to take out two factors. You have to calculate the time period of a particular pendulum or object if it oscillates 120 times in 3 minutes. You have to take out the time period. You can write the question. You have to take out the time period of a pendulum if it oscillates 120 times in 3 minutes. So first you can take out the frequency, and then you can do time period equal to 1 by frequency. So that's it, student, for today's class. We discussed about vibration, oscillation. Vibration is the end, and oscillation means moving from one extreme to another extreme. Whereas amplitude means just the displacement from central to the maximum position. And then you have frequency and time period. Frequency is number of oscillations 1 second, and time period is speed, and time period is time required for one oscillation. As simple as that. So thank you everyone. Till then, we meet in the next live class. It is Tuesday. So be ready with numericals. I will give you some numericals to solve, and then within 2 or 3 more classes we can finish this chapter as well. So thank you very much. All the best. For any doubts, please reach out to me. Thank you.